Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to compare Openclaw and Claude Cowork so you can decide which one is actually better for your needs. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. With so many AI tools coming out lately, I personally find it a bit difficult to decide which one is actually worth using. Recently, I decided to try both Openclaw and Claude Cowork to see how they compare. So in this video, I'll share my experience, what I liked, what I didn't like, and which one I think is better depending on your use case. Let's start with Openclaw. When I first tried Openclaw, I noticed that it focuses more on productivity and automation. In my experience, it felt designed for users who want to speed up workflows and handle tasks more efficiently. I tried using it for content generation, brainstorming ideas, and organizing tasks, and I think it performed pretty well. One thing I personally liked was how fast it handled requests. It felt responsive and efficient, especially for simple and repetitive tasks. Another thing I noticed is that OpenClaw is quite straightforward. I didn't feel overwhelmed by too many features, which I think is great for beginners or users who just want something simple. However, in my opinion, OpenClaw does have a few downsides. Sometimes I felt that the responses were not as detailed, especially when I tried more complex tasks. It worked well for quick tasks, but for deeper conversations, I think it could improve. Now let's talk about Claude Cowork. When I tried Claude Cowork, I immediately noticed that it focuses more on collaboration and deeper conversations. In my experience, it felt more like working with an intelligent assistant rather than just a simple AI tool. I tested it with longer prompts, brainstorming sessions, and document editing, and I personally found the responses more detailed and thoughtful. It seemed to understand context better, which made it really useful for longer projects. Another thing I liked was how smooth the collaboration features felt. If you're working with a team or managing projects, I think Claude Cowork has an advantage here. But of course, it's not perfect either. In my opinion, Claude Cowork can sometimes feel a bit heavier compared to OpenClaw. If you just want quick results, it might feel slightly slower. Also, with more features, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. Now let's quickly talk about the pros and cons. When it comes to OpenClaw, I think the biggest advantage is speed and simplicity. It's easy to use, quick, and great for everyday tasks. But the downside is that it may not be as powerful for complex workflows. For Claude Cowork, I think the biggest strength is deeper understanding and collaboration features. It's great for long conversations and detailed work, but the downside is that it may feel more complex and sometimes slower. So which one do I think is better? In my opinion, if you want something fast, simple, and efficient, OpenClaw might be the better choice. But if you need deeper AI assistance, collaboration, and more advanced capabilities, then Claude Cowork is probably the better option. At the end of the day, both tools are useful, and the best one really depends on your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.